Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the new video, and this will be the last video of our discourse. And this video is about the rule of ana. Ana is the only word in the Quran which is not stretched. Even there is a alif after the letter, and the letter before alif got a fatha. Like as you read in alif madda rule, what was the alif madda rule? It was that whenever there will be a alif and the letter before it got a fatha, you have to stretch that letter for 2 seconds, right? But ana is the only word in Quran Pak which will not follow this rule. You just have to ignore the alif after the noon and you will read this word without stretching. Like you will not read it ana, you will just read it ana. Let's read it in the Quran. Here is the example. So illa ana fa'budni. You will not stretch the ana here. You will not read it like ana fa'budni. Instead of reading like that, you have to read it ana fa'budni. Ana fa'budni. Okay, so finally we have completed our Tajweed course and our Tajweed book. Try to follow these rules whenever you are reading the Quran. In case if you forget some rule, try to watch the video again, try to read the book again, and try to practice, because practice is the key. If you are not going to practice it, you will always forget to apply the rule in the Quran. So practice the rules as many times as you can. See you next time with another course. Allah Hafiz.